It's Tuesday, December 16th, here in rainy Southern California. Wow, we're getting the nice rain that we so desperately need. Even getting some thunderstorms, thunder so far this morning. Kind of unusual for here in Southern California. Anyways, let's jump right into it. We got the economic calendar today, and we got two pieces of economic data, and they are important ones. We got the housing starts for the month of November. So back in October, we had 1.045 million housing starts, and it was supposed to decrease to 1.035, and it missed that mark to 1.028. So not great news right there. And market flash PMI, we have the first reading. We usually get two readings in each month, and the first reading for the month of December. Well, the previous reporting for the month of November was at 54.8, but December showing that at 53.7, so it looks like that's dropping right now. These are kind of manufacturing numbers right here, so we'll get another one later in the month, and we'll have to see where that goes to, but the initial one is at 53.7, like a drop. So anything above 50 is still expansion, but albeit we're seeing kind of obviously a very slim expansion here. Let's go ahead and jump over at the headline news. And currently, the stock market was up. It actually started down and kind of mixed a little bit in the morning. And the Dow actually started taking off. After a little bit in the morning, it started taking off right around noon East Coast time. It started hitting like even 200 at one point. So we'll see if it maintains that. But what really kind of rattled the markets this morning was Russia's central bank decided they're going to try to protect their ruble from raising their interest rates from 10.5 all the way to 7. This is the first time they've done such a big jump since 1998 when they crashed and defaulted on their loans. So this is obviously was a good market. This Asia and even European stocks took a nosedive as a result. A lot of concern of what's going on. And meanwhile, they were hoping that they would gain confidence in the ruble, and actually had the opposite. So it just started free falling. Now, also coupled with the continued prices of gas is going down. So right now we're looking at about 55 a gallon for per barrel, excuse me, for oil. So you can still see that coming down a lot further than I think they probably anticipated. So let's see how this is affecting with interest rates today, and we're getting a little bit of improvement actually. We're up about 5 basis points, but we're getting a little bit of improvement, as you can see here on the chart, that where we are today is a little bit better than where we were yesterday. So better overall numbers today, and we'll see if this continues. We have a chance with the short-term news, the mortgage, your current interest rates for home loans could be getting a little bit better. Short-term mortgage interest rates trends will be probably get a little bit better, and then long-term potentially they could creep up as we get more as the economy starts growing a little bit more and the Fed starts raising rates. We'll probably start see rates climb a little bit. Now also tomorrow is the big day. We got the FOMC meeting, and they're going to be really looking for that key language of in terms of for interest rates. So it's talking about the considerable time before they raise interest rates. They want to see if that gets removed. If that gets removed, that means the Fed is looking to raise interest rates relatively quickly, or at least maybe even on time, which currently is expected about midway through 2015, around June. So we'll have to kind of wait and see tomorrow. That will be the big day. We could see, they could be hedging their bets today and early morning tomorrow, so we could see a lot of volatility, and of course we'll see a lot more volatility. So be prepared. We're going to probably be experiencing a bit of a roller coaster ride here the next day or two, so until we can get see what the Fed says and see what they're thinking. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow will be the Fed day, and I'll try to update it later in the afternoon and let you know if they took that out or not. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thank you.